Now you can use ChatGPT within Excel, your favorite tool. I am on Microsoft Excel. I have the project plan Digital Transformation Initiative 2026 open. You have seen this before. Notice the percent completed. That 5 tasks here are 100% complete. Let us click on the home. You will see in this ribbon that ChatGPT is already there because I worked with it earlier. Let me remove it. Remove add-on. Remove add-in. Yes. Now let us reinstall it. You will see this add-ins in the ribbon. Search add-ins. Don't use this GPT for Excel, which is an old one. Search for ChatGPT. You see here, don't just click add. Let us see what it is. Confirm that it is from OpenAI. So this is the official add-in. You can see the description here and additional information. Add. Continue. So it opens up a side window for ChatGPT. You have to search for where to enter the prompt. Come down here, ask anything, add for context. Now let us ask, today is June 30th. Update this project plan assuming that all the tasks have progressed as per plan. Note that for the first time, it will connect you to your ChatGPT account and then send the prompt there. Let us run this. See, it updated the project plan and it will sync the milestone tracker also, as we have the milestone tab here. Syncs the milestone tracker and it completed within few seconds. If you go to the right, you will see that all the tasks that are before or on June 30th have been marked as 100% complete. Even the 30th June tasks are marked as 100% complete. Then if you see the milestones, you'll see so many milestones are already closed. Isn't this wonderful that within Excel you can access the intelligence of ChatGPT? Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates on the latest in AI and technology. See you in the next video.